One of the risks when soldering is smoke. This is very toxic and we shouldn't breathe it.
In this video, we can see how to build a smoke extractor. It's powered by a rechargeable battery. It also has a 120mm fan, LED light and a battery level indicator. Independent switches for fan, light and battery level. Works fine. I used this material. The LED came from an old flashlight. You can download these plans for free. There is a link in the description of the video. I mark all the measures in the wood and start cutting. A fine saw was used for fine cuts. Then I sand all the pieces. Ready for assembly. Drill the places for the small nails. I use white glue and small nails to join all the pieces. Two pieces of wood were used to reinforce the structure, left for drying over the night. After this, I used wood filler to cover all the nails and imperfections. Then I went back to sanding. Already painted and ready for assembly. I use two handles for better handling. To join the base to the top, I use an articulated arm. Screw retainer was used to fix all the nuts. Mark the place for the LED and fix it with screws. Then the drills to pass the wire for connection. I needed a 5.6 ohm resistor. I did not have one with that value. Therefore, I made a parallel and a series of resistors to get it. Then weld it to the LED. Some heat glue to secure them. This cable came from an old phone charger. With the drills already made, I passed the electric wire. Follow the wiring diagram to make all the connections. Once again, there is a link in the description. Let us finish the top of the extractor. I replace the charging connector. This new one is easy to fix. To make the extractor more stable, I put a piece of marble in the base. Already glue it. Now I glue the connector. All the connections made. To see the state of charging, a piece of acrylic was used to bring the light out. Now the acrylic for the base. I printed the layout and cut it. Then assemble all the parts. I fix it to the base with screws. To secure the filter, I use another fan grill. Due to the thickness of the filter, I cut the grill. The carbon filter was from a vacuum cleaner. I cut it with a circular shape. To finish, mark the shape of the base in the drawer mat. Cut it and glue it. And it's ready to use. If you have enjoyed the video, consider subscribe the channel. See you soon. Goodbye for now.